What's up, guys? Chris Frank here, back with the Project Dakota. Today we will be restoring our headlights. This is a fairly easy task. Let's look at the instructions. The instructions say to shake well before use, squeeze a quarter size amount of cleaning solution on the pad provided, use a back and forth motion thoroughly, clean the entire headlight surface, reapply as needed. Fairly simple. Today we have the Meguiars 2-step headlight restoration kit. This is the moderate. They have different levels, light, moderate, severe. I do think my lights are severe, so let's go ahead and see if we could work them out. So as you can see, I masked everything over. We will be using like a little sanding pad, so you don't want to sand off onto this and then scratch up the paint. Same thing on this side. Wiped it down with a damp cloth, take away all the grime and bugs and all the other crud that's usually on your headlights. Let's see how this product works out. If it doesn't work well, I'll pick up a pair of headlights, but for 20 bucks it's worth a shot. So let's see what comes in the box. Looks like we have 2 pads. They're fairly a little bit gritty. I had thought that they would have been a little bit more rougher. We have our cleaning solution, as well as our sealant. This is the headlight coating. This is what's supposed to protect and keep your headlights clear for a year. Let's go ahead and get working on these headlights. So I opened the label. Remember, we want to shake well before we use it. And they said a quarter sized amount to start working. So let me go on this side so you can see it better. And they said you want to do a back and forth motion first, and then you want to go up and down. That's what they call a cross hatch design or pattern, just so you know you got all of it off. So they say it'll be clean when it has a uniform frosted appearance. So basically this is just like a little compounding solution that you're using. And let's go get a clean cloth to see how we're doing. From the looks of it, it already looks a lot better. So we'll go ahead, I'll wipe that down again. We'll let that dry, and we'll start working on the second one. I was cutting the grass before it got killed with the mosquitoes. Again, quarter sized amount. Let's work it in. There's many reasons why you want to do this. You want to do this for your truck to look good, look a little newer, and another reason is safety. When your headlights get oxidated like this, you know, your visibility gets a little lower. Your headlights won't go and shine stuff up as bright as they would the day you drove it out the factory. So definitely, if you have cars in the sun a lot, you know, your headlights are a little yellow, suggest you doing this for 20 bucks and, you know, a couple of minutes of your time. Definitely the safety part of it is worth it. I'm not too worried about the chrome on the grill. I think I'm going to wrap it in like a gloss black or a matte black to match a little bit of I'm going to go for a little black and white theme on this. The directions say to use some glass cleaner. I don't, so I got some brake cleaner. Just gonna use that to get off whatever grime is left. For best results, apply in the shade to a cool headlight. Clean headlight thoroughly with glass cleaner to remove dirt and grime to make sure headlights are free from surface contaminants. Mascara on the headlight, we did that. And if there's overspray, use rubbing alcohol to remove. So on the box it says apply a medium wet coat to the headlight coating to the entire surface, overlapping the previous pass by 50%. Let the first coat dry 3 to 5. Follow with the second coat to seal. It'll be dried to the touch 3 to 5 minutes. Fully cured within 24 hours. You want to use short bursts so you don't have any overspray or anything dripping down. Let's go ahead and do the second one. So we'll wait 3 to 5 minutes and we'll do the second coat. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and seal off this headlight. From the looks of it so far, this kit was really easy to do. It took me about a half hour to finish, and these headlights look like they're almost brand new. And remember guys, this isn't just for looks, this is for safety as well. This Meguiar's kit was really easy. I saw other kits that have drill attachments. I didn't want to do anything that technical or use a sanding machine. This is something that I didn't want to spend a lot of money on because a pair of headlights are 80-90 bucks. This $20 kit definitely did a good refresh on this Project Dakota that I have. If you guys are here for the first time, this is something I'm very excited about, to have a project car on the channel. I'll be doing a lot, as well as taking out the quad more. So be prepared to see a lot of more quad videos, as well as more how-tos, do-it-yourselves, and some upgrades I'll be doing to this 2006 Dodge Dakota. If you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, and definitely if you like it, please like this video. Thanks for watching.